Hey guys, Ralph Rizzo here. A quick unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. And this year, as we knew, Samsung ditched some of the accessories in the box. We have nothing much to say. It's going to be a very quick video, and they did like what Apple did, removing all these essentials accessories in the box. But they give us, Samsung gave us a good, at least for us in Malaysia, some pretty cool gifts when you pre-order the S21 this year. So yeah, let's go through the video, and I will share with you some of the gifts that they sent to us for the pre-orders, and hopefully you love the video, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will meet again. Salam mesra dari Malaysia. I brought it on myself.